Developing now, combating the opioid crisis. Claremore police are now carrying a tool that can save a life and quickly reverse a drug overdose. 2 Works For You anchor Will Dupree found out that it's already being put to use.
Neighbors are used to the quiet in this North Claremore neighborhood, but last Tuesday the sounds of sirens replaced the silence. Police responded to a man found unconscious and barely breathing inside a home, the victim of an apparent heroin overdose.
It's a problem right now, and we're seeing more and more overdoses.
This time, the deputy police chief says his officer could offer help right away. He reached into his pocket, grabbed a dose of Narcan, and sprayed it up the victim's nose.
It usually takes about 90 seconds maybe to get a response if it is an opioid overdose, and our officer said this worked in a matter of seconds.
The Narcan ended up saving the man's life and let police know they made the right call, making every officer have it. Last month, Claremore police required every officer to start carrying 2 doses of Narcan, which is a nasal spray to reverse overdoses, and last week an officer had to use it for the first time. The latest numbers from the Oklahoma Department of Health show that 58 people in Rogers County alone died from accidental poisonings like overdoses between 2011 and 2015. Of those deaths, the agency found that 71% of them involved at least one prescription opioid. With the Narcan now available to use, police hope to bring down that number and get a grip on the growing opioid crisis.
This just gives our officers another tool in their toolbox to hopefully help some of our community members.
From Claremore, Will Dupree, 2 Works For You.
Now, Claremore police got the Narcan after receiving donations from the Cherokee Nation and the Oklahoma Department of Mental Health.